So this is the output generated by the faster downloader. So as you see, the structure is a collection of byte bits, but this is not the correct structure. We need to create a list of byte bits. So how can we do it? We just need to unhide the dataset. So if you see, both two correspond to those ones. Always when you have a list of or a collection, the individual datasets are also included in the history but are hidden. So we just need to unhide the dataset. Now we need to click in them and click in build. Here we need to check that the order is the correct one. The forward should be in the top, and we just need to rename, for example, byte list. So we just need to create the collection, and here you see this is a collection of byte reads, and this is just a list of byte reads. So this one can be used in feature counts without problem, but not this one.